Hello, my name is Jay, and welcome back to my Tech Vault. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Deepcool Matrexx 55 Addressable RGB computer case, and this is a RGB computer case I think is around $60 or $70 dollars. And of course I'll include a link for that if you're interested in the description, but this is of course a part of a computer build that I'm doing, actually live streaming right now. And we're basically got a Ryzen 3900X. We just got done unboxing that. We're actually about to get started with doing a full build of it. But as you can see, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this first. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the part where if I drop this, I'm screwed. And notice this hasn't been
opened.
I mean, if I just break it, then it's totally your fault.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't want to touch my motherboard right now. Yeah, this is static. I can feel the static on me. Yep. Do I have something that's grounded? Are we okay? Y'all having a fun time?
Come here.
Come here. This is what happens. I'm streaming during... Oh, this one's kind of nice.
Yes, sir.
This don't look half bad.
I did some research.
Dude, I'm glad you did some research because I think my viewers are going to want to do some research. This looks fancy. Fancy, dude. I think we could... I think this is a pretty... Yeah, this is pretty solid. I'm not going to lie. This is pretty solid. So here we are. Here is the cooler itself. So what do we have inside? Let's actually take off the panel. Let's also drop the glass while we're at it because... You know, that would be the last thing I'd want to do.
Don't lose the screw thing, because I've done that before.
Yeah.
Recently.
So we got a nice long sheet of tempered glass. So as you can see, surprisingly, you have a little spot to see what kind of power supply you have, which is cool. Nice thing to show off. I believe you have RGB fans here, and then of course these are adjustable. It looks like you get, of course, it looks like an adapter and some extension RGB stuff. Let's also take that off if I can. What is this? It's attached on. It's a little baggie that's attached on. So, here's the little baggie. It's a little baggie that's attached on with all the goodies. Let's see what we got in there. So inside here we have a addressable RGB header, a bunch of screws, and more addressable RGB stuff. Okay, so inside of here, it looks like, I don't know what we have in the back. Let's take a look at what we have back here. Okay, don't ask why I have a drill out. This is Sonic Speed PC building right now. While I'm trying to get videos done. Oh yeah, I already got 3 done. So in the back, I'm not trying to get copyright strike there too, guys. In the back. Anyway, but what we got in the back here is, as you can see, we've got ourselves just some pretty standard I/O. It's like all the headers. Looks like they even did the job of doing a combination, so you only have to plug in just the RGB and just the fan header. You don't have to do each one individually, which is very nice. They did something like that. It's awesome. You've got 2 internal bays, and it looks like you've got some type of... I don't even know if I can get this out. Some type of instructions. So yeah, if you need instructions for building a PC, that's the place to go. But for the most part, that front panel, I like that a lot. And I think that's glass. Yes, glass. Okay. But if you're interested in seeing this PC build, make sure you check it out. It'll be coming out soon for around 500 subscribers. Also, check out the channel for the unboxing of the Ryzen 3900X. The motherboard that I got, it's an X570. And it's been a long day, but consider subscribing or turning on notifications if that's your kind of thing. And as always, thank you guys very much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.